friends, today you are going to learn how to make this paper fan Independence Day flag. Let's get started. For this activity we need green sheet, we need white sheet, small pieces of silver glitter sheet, pencil and UHU and scissor. Let's get started. We will fold the paper into half. Then 1/4 and cut them. We will take 1/4 piece of paper and we are going to press it like this, fold it from front, then fold it from the back, front, back, front, back. See, we have to make this folding at least 5. Next part is we are going to take this folding and we are going to make it half like this. We are going to join these edges with the glue. Friends, see, we are going to join all these fans with each other to make a circle or a wheel. So join all the edges with the glue. Hold it for some time so it will stick properly. So you are going to join both ends. Next part is take white sheet, 1/4 part and draw a circle. Draw a circle on one side and you need 2 circles for this. So I'm going to draw it should not too big or too small, okay? It should be a medium size. On both sides we are going to stick it with the glue. On this glitter sheet I will make a small crescent and star and cut it. The moon and this star, now I'm going to paste it on the white paper. So it's a sticker sheet, so I'm going to remove the back side. In the center I'm going to paste it like this. See, to paste it. The back part, so if you like you can also use the same side on the back side, but I am using plain. Make it a flag like, so you can use the stick. So I am going to paste the stick here, then I am going to paste it like this. Take a small piece and use glue and paste it on the stick so it will stick properly. So now we are going to paste it like this to hold it. So use some glue. And paste it like this. To secure it you can use tape. Let it dry. Secure with the tape or the glue, it's up to you. Let it dry for some time. You can use a small strip of green paper to secure the stick. So I will apply some glue on it and I am going to place it like this. Press it and let it dry. Friends, now it's dry. How it looks like. Friends, I hope you like this. Please like and subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Happy Independence Day. See you later.